How to make mower tires have more traction. Riding mowers can be used for grass cutting, towing small trailers, garden preparation, snow clearing and other chores around a home and yard. Rain, snow and mud can greatly impact the amount of traction that a riding mower has during operation. Homeowners can increase the traction of mower tires to help increase the efficiency of the mower and reduce the chances of an accident. Things you'll need: air compressor or air pump, tire pressure gauge, socket wrench, wheel weights, suitcase weights, chains. Check the air pressure in the riding mower tires with a tire pressure gauge. Remove the tire valve cover and place the fitting on the gauge over the tire valve. Read the pressure on the analog or digital display. Add air to the mower tire, if necessary, with an air compressor or air pump. Press the air fitting, attached to the end of the air hose from the compressor or pump, onto the tire valve and add air as necessary. Replace the valve cover when finished. Attach wheel weights to the rear wheels of the mower to provide better tire traction. Obtain suitable weights and any necessary mounting hardware for the specific mower model. Follow the manufacturer's directions that typically involve first removing the wheel bolts. Attach the wheel and any additional hardware using the wheel bolts. Attach a suitcase weight mount to the front or rear of the mower based on personal preference. Obtain a mount and weights for the specific model of mower you own. Install the mount by following the manufacturer's recommendations and then attach the weights securely to the mount. Install tire chains on the rear wheels of the riding mower to improve traction. Drape the chains over the rear tire. Clip the axle side of the chains together first. Pull the chains together on the outside of the wheel and snap the chains together so that there is minimal slack in the chain. Follow the directions of the specific mower chain manufacturers when installing chains.